Welcome to Cadence Design Systems Omnis Tutorial Tuesday, where we show you how to use our fully integrated environment, Omnis, in short videos of a few minutes. In this video, I will show you how to define and customize a material and how to define a new fluid using your own thermodynamic tables. After a simulation is created in the simulation context, you can select the material to be used for each domain. Click on one of the domains in the tree. Go to the Material tab and select the domain type between fluid, solid, or multi-material. You can select the material from the drop-down list of materials available in the Omnis database or create your own material. To create a new material, click on the plus symbol, then click on the material in the tree and input the material properties. Note that the following parameters are optional as they are only used for information purposes: the description, the chemical formula, the molecular weight, the pressure range, temperature range, boiling temperature, freezing temperature, critical temperature, and critical pressure. When entering property values, you might have the choice between a constant value and a profile function of the temperature. When the profile option is selected, a button appears on the right to edit the function in the Profile Manager. When the Profile Manager is opened, you can import or export profiles by clicking on the down and up arrows at the bottom left of the window. Let's load in a conductivity profile using a CSV file. The CSV file should contain a one-line header with the axes variables, followed by the comma-separated profile values. Upon import, you will be prompted to verify or change the axes units and close the Profile Manager. To define a fluid using thermodynamic tables, select the new fluid and switch to condensable gas as the fluid type. The tables can be selected by browsing to the folder containing the fluid tables. Upon import, you can then decide to use the CP, conductivity, and viscosity from the tables or to define some of these properties manually. You can rename a material by right-clicking on it in the tree and entering the new name. When a new material is created, it is added to the database and will be available for all future projects. To customize the properties of an existing material, you can select that material in the drop-down list and duplicate it. Then select again the material in the tree and customize its properties for your application. You can access the list of materials available in the database by clicking on the double arrow at the very bottom of the window to show the bottom panel if it's not already shown. There, click on the Materials tab. To share a material with someone else, click on the Export that material from Omnis. The other user can then import the file directly in the material database. To lock a material so their properties cannot be modified from the simulation context, use the lock symbol. As you can see, the properties are grayed out and cannot be modified as indicated by the lock symbols. You can unlock a material by clicking on the Open Lock symbol to be able to modify the material properties directly in the project. You can also create or delete materials from the database using the plus and minus icons. To close the bottom panel, right-click anywhere in the panel. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, be sure to click the thumbs up button to subscribe to our channel for more upcoming videos like this. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, please drop us a line down below or connect with us on LinkedIn, which is linked in the description. Thank you all and have a great Tuesday.